Micro teaching example, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will explore the world of micro teaching and learn how it can enhance teaching effectiveness. What is micro teaching? Micro teaching is a teaching method where instructors focus on specific techniques in a supportive setting. They teach a small group of students for a short duration, allowing them to experiment with different teaching ideas and methods. Benefits of micro teaching. One of the key benefits of micro teaching is that it provides a safe and encouraging environment for teachers to develop their classroom management abilities by focusing on specific techniques, receive valuable feedback and work on areas that require improvement. Micro teaching example number one, fun and engaging activities. Let's explore some exciting micro teaching examples, from fraction lessons with manipulates to word problem solving and multiply strategies for multiplications. These activities demonstrate the versatility of micro teaching in developing specific teaching skills. Micro teaching example number two, beyond traditional methods. In addition to the examples mentioned, there are other macro teaching techniques you can try: role playing, simulation, mini lessons, video recording, 1 minute teaching, and case studies offer practical ways to enhance teaching skills and engaging students in the learning process. Micro teaching process, steps and key elements. The micro teaching process involves several steps, from unveiling teaching skills to delivering the lessons, reviewing the recorded session, refining teaching skills based on feedback, and reflecting on the teaching performance. Each step plays a crucial role in the overall advantages and drawbacks. Macro teaching offers advantages such as real classroom experience, skill development, objective assessments through video recordings, self-assessments, opportunities, and collaborative learning. However, it also has drawbacks, including the need for expensive resources and difficulty in applying new skills in actual classroom or unblocking teaching potential. Despite its drawbacks, micro teaching can help educators hone their teaching abilities, raise student engagement, and create memorable learning experiences. By embracing micro teaching and putting its strategies to use, teachers can make a significant impact in the classroom. Conclusion: thank you for joining us on this micro teaching journey. We hope this step-by-step guide has inspired you to explore the world of micro teaching and enhance your teaching skills. Don't forget to visit our blog more in-depth content and resources. See you next time. Visit learn more w3ipedia.com.